Hi, I'm Dr. Simon, and this week I'm going to be explaining heat transfer. When there are two things of different temperatures in contact, close to one another, they both try to make the other object approach their own temperature. Think about when you have a glass of water in the summer and you put ice into it to make it cold. The water is warmer than the ice. So as the ice is trying to make the water cooler and more refreshing, the water is at the same time making the ice cubes warmer. That's why if you leave a glass of ice water and come back a little while later, all the ice is melted. Some materials transfer heat really well, and we call these thermal conductors. Think of a rod of metal or wire. If you get one end really hot, the other end will start getting warm, even if you never heated it up directly. There are also some objects that don't really do a good job of conducting heat. We call those thermal insulators. Think of when an adult puts on a pair of oven mitts before taking something out of the oven or touching something hot. Those gloves are made of a thermal insulator that protects the hands of the person wearing them from the hot object. If you're making something that you want to be able to get really hot or really cold, you should use a thermal conductor, like most types of metal. This is why pots and pans are made of materials like copper, stainless steel, aluminum. That's because those are really good conductors, so they will heat up quickly on the stovetop. If you want something to not change temperature too much, you can use thermal insulators when building them. And that's why a lot of houses have a pink material in the roof that looks kind of like foam, because it helps them not get too cold in the winter, and it also actually helps them not get too hot in the summer. That material is actually called insulation. Now that's all we have time for today. Enjoy using your newfound knowledge about heat transfer.